I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
In this video, we explore the Purchase Overview and take a tour of the Bills feature so you're familiar with purchases in Xero. Click Purchases, then select Purchases Overview. The Purchases Overview is where you can enter and manage purchase orders, bills, and credit notes, and get insights about the amounts you owe suppliers. Use the new drop-down to create a bill, repeating bill, credit note, or purchase order. Or, if you've recorded bills in another software, you can import them into Xero to save time entering them individually. Use the Search button to find a specific bill or purchase order in Xero. You can search using the reference, contact, or amount. Use the Within drop-down to select which date Xero looks at for the search. Then enter a start and an end date to give Xero the date range. Once you've entered your search criteria, click Search. Xero lists the matching bills to the search criteria. Use the Purchases Overview breadcrumb to return to the main overview page. Use Paid to view your paid bills. Use Repeating to view any repeating bills you have set up. Click See All to view all your invoices on one screen. You can see bills in different statuses using the tabs at the top of your screen. For example, Draft. From the New Bill drop-down, you can automate your bill entry, upload a bill, or manually add a new bill. The menu icon allows you to filter the bills shown and export your bills to a spreadsheet. Search a contact, amount, or reference in the search field to find a specific bill. Use the filter option to show or hide different bills or document types, like deleted and voided, or overdue bills. Add or remove columns to see the information you want to, such as the status or paid date. Use the View icon to quickly see and edit your bills within the main bill screen. Use the Purchases Overview breadcrumb at the top of your screen to return to the overview page. Use the Status panel to view the value and number of bills in draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and overdue status. You can click any status to see more details. Let's take a look at the draft bills. Approve or submit your draft bills for approval individually or in bulk. Delete draft bills created in error or no longer needed, and print the draft if you want to keep a physical copy. Moving on to awaiting approval. Draft bills submitted for approval are stored here, waiting for a user with the right permissions to approve the bills. Approved bills move to the Awaiting Payment tab until you pay them. Make payments individually or in bulk with a batch payment. Add planned dates in bulk or individually to track intended payment dates. See the total number and value of bills so you can quickly see how much you owe your suppliers. Once a payment has been matched to a bill, it moves to the Paid tab. Print bills if you'd like a physical record. And finally, there's repeating bills. See the repeats frequency, the next bill date, and how the bill will be generated by Xero. Let's return to the Purchases overview using the breadcrumb at the top of the page. The Upcoming Bills graph shows your upcoming bills awaiting payment and the amount you owe. Drag the bar beneath the graph to increase or decrease the date range. Hover over the graph for more details. If you click the graph, Xero takes you to a filtered view of the bills due on the particular date. The Purchase Orders section is similar to the Bills section. Use Build to see purchase orders that have been billed, or click See All to view all purchase orders. Like bills, purchase orders have a status panel, showing the value and number in each state. You can click any status to see more details. Now, you can navigate purchases in Xero to view and manage your supplier bills.